Learning about crypto, you will hear the term tokenization a lot. Sometimes it even seems like when you're writing about a new crypto project, or crypto in general, you have to use the term at least a couple of times to stay credible. But what is tokenization exactly? My name is Josh, and I will be explaining this to you right now. Simply said, tokenization is programming tokens on a blockchain. But that might still be a little too broad and vague for you. What you could also say is that tokenization is the process of putting real-life objects that range from money to art and from oil to precious metals on a blockchain, giving actual worth to digital codes. A simple example that you could see in the real estate industry. Let's say that you want to buy a property, but you don't have enough funds to purchase a single one. The owner of a property could tokenize it and create 100 tokens on a blockchain that each represent 1% of the house. Now, let's say the house is valued at $300,000, meaning each token is being sold for $3,000. If you decide to buy 10 of these tokens now, you possess definitive proof that you own 10% of the house. So now there is a way for everyone to enter the real estate market more easily. Another good example of tokenization? Tether, a coin which is backed by the US dollar, which means that for every coin the company issues, they claim to put $1 away. Easily said, they tokenize the US dollar into a blockchain. The reason for Tether to do this is to create a digital stable coin which doesn't fluctuate as much as, well, let's say the Bitcoin does. Now for you, this might be an interesting option as a base currency for when you're trading cryptos. Since a stable coin like Tether isn't as volatile as Bitcoin, for example, your asset's worth will be more stable. In Cryptohopper, you can easily choose your base currency in the config under coins and amounts. In the description, you can find a link to the article where all of this is written out for you. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and click the subscribe button. Happy hopping!